Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Let's talk about the rules that are to be followed in the usage of the article the. The first rule is when there is only one such person. For example, the Pope, the President of the United States. There is just one Pope or there is just one President of the United States. Therefore, the usage of the. The next rule is before names of famous buildings. For example, Eiffel Tower, the Eiffel Tower, the Great Wall of China. Before a singular noun that refers to a whole class or group of people or things. For example, middle class, that is a whole class. The homeless, that is a group of people who are homeless. Therefore, the usage of the word, that is the article the. Before special names of rivers, the Nile, the Dead Sea. Before certain organizations, for example, the United Nations, the Republican Party. Before nouns such as places we know of. For example, we arrived at the ferry terminal for our trip. Here, there is a familiarity with the ferry terminal. Therefore, usage of article the. Before abbreviations, the BBC. BBC means British Broadcasting Corporation. Therefore, in front of abbreviations, article the is used.